Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a very nice day. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how can you make a running clock using ChatGPT. So guys, if you don't have an account in ChatGPT, you need to create an account. And if you already have an account, just go to the ChatGPT website. Now in the bottom search bar, search for make a running clock using HTML. Just hold on guys for the code to finish. After the code is finished, just click on the top right of this code, copy code. Now I'm gonna show you how this clock actually looks like. Now just open another tab and in the search bar search for HTML file. After searching it, just go to the very first website, W3 Schools. Now just scroll down here and here you can see try it yourself. Click on it, the green one. After clicking it, here you can see in this bar, just press it and click on paste. After clicking on paste, click the top right green run button. Now here you can see there is actually a running clock here and it is clicking. So guys, that's how you can create a running clock using ChatGPT. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.